Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Canva to create Instagram posts. Very easy guys, very simple. All you gotta do is to go on Canva homepage and then you wanna go and scroll to the bottom where you will find Instagram posts. It's above the logos. So first thing you wanna click guys, see all. So let's see what Canva offers in Instagram posts department. Currently we have some square posts. This is what usually works, but don't forget that there is a different type of shapes that you can actually use, such as the portraits over here. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. If you scroll on the side, you can simply filter the style of the Instagram post. Are you going to create a modern, minimalistic, you're going to be elegant, professional, happy, clean? This bunch of posts, you see everything is in thousands guys. The templates are 10,000, 15,000, 30,000, 40,000. So you want to find something that you're very, 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 very interested. For example, let's create this promo. Do you see this? It's a promo template. Let's click apply. Let's see what kind of promo, right? Celebrations are coming. Saint Valentine's is coming, guys, in a couple of days. The next filter I'm going to do over here on top as well will be the price. And we're going to filter by free. Simply because we're working on budget and our money will go to elsewhere. So you see we have a bunch of cool templates over here. Let's click on this one. So when you come over here, you can essentially click on all the elements on the post itself. Let's start clicking, so let me show you. So each of the elements, it's customizable and everything could be changed in terms of colors, in terms of sizes, shapes, okay? You can change it, you can add the link. Do you see there is a small link section over here? If you click on it, you can enter your link over here. For example, if I type google.com, right, and click done, there you have it. We are going to have the link over here. Every time when someone clicks on the 30% off, it will be sent straight through the link direction. So for example, this font, it's not bad, but it might be better. For example, if you click this one, right, this type of font, and if we try to shift it, this is unreadable, of course. This looks okay. This one looks better, so DM serif. Okay, let me edit this one as well. So this is how simple we're doing it. And you have this function change all, means that any text on the actual post will change automatically, adjusted. Very, very nice. So the lightning, I don't like the color, very, very obvious. The background of the lightning should be black. I think we all know that. You want to scroll and change it to black. And I want to make the actual thunder, right? Let's see this color, yellow, like legitimate thunder, right? See, now it looks good. All we gotta do is to click on the next one, same thing, and we have to change the background color to black. Now things look a little more professional. Also, the up to 30% off, it's not readable, guys. We have to change this to black color, so you see how this will pop. Also, we want to see the background color on this. So for example, big sale looks good like this. Change to all, no, we're gonna change this one. Okay, and now we actually going to create a special animation. Remember guys, we're talking about Instagram posts, okay? So let's animate this. So let's animate the way how all this will appear, right? This is looking good, right? Let's keep this one. Okay, now let's create some effects. Effects will simply allow you to make the text much more appealing to the audience, right? They will see something that they already know, or something that tells them something, some story, or makes them to take action. I don't like any of these, so we are not going to utilize them. So the next option over here, guys, of course, is to click over here and essentially save this as a previous project. So if you go back at some point and you might say, okay, this is not looking too good. I want to change this, I want to change that. Don't forget that the bottom also could be changed. Essentially, if you come over here, this one, you can essentially delete it if you don't like it. So the big sale will appear like this in the air, and then you can add elements. So for example, if you want to add, let's say, I don't know, car. So if you go and add cars in terms of elements, right? Car, emoji. Over here, you might be able to add here. So some of these elements are working in a very, very similar manner, but they're very strong. So for example, we replace this weak, right, previous, like a foundation underneath with the speaker, and now the speaker makes the whole a lot of different expression. If you look, it can move around, right? And guys, don't forget to include your link. Like I mentioned, you can come over here, click on the up to 30%, you can click the three dots, and then you can essentially add the link, okay? And this is how you're going to make all the sales. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.